Subtracting fractions. We're going to use a rectangular grid. 2/3 minus 1/4. First thing we want to do is estimate so we know how large or small our difference is going to be. 2/3 is about 1/2. 1/4 is also about 1/2. 1/2 minus 1/2 is 0. So our difference should be about 0. We're going to use the denominators to create a rectangular grid. We have a denominator of 3 and 4, so we're going to make a 3, 1, 2, 3 by 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 grid. We're modeling 2/3, so we need to partition the shape into thirds. If I go up and down, here's 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. Now I need to shade 2/3. Here's 1/3, 2/3. Now to find the equivalent fraction that I've just modeled, I need to determine my whole. 4, 8, 12. And then I need to count the individual pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 8. Which means that 2/3 is equivalent to 8/12. Now I'm going to make another 3x4 rectangular grid. 1, 2, 3. The 3 coming from 2/3, the denominator, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 coming from the 1/4. Because I'm modeling 1/4, I need to partition the shape into 4 equal pieces. That will be going across. There's 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4. And now I need to model or shade in one of those 4. 3, 6, 9, 12 gives me the whole. And then I need to count how many individual pieces. 1, 2, 3. So 1/4 is equivalent to 3/12. We don't ever add or subtract denominators, so I simply rewrite my common denominator of 12. And then 8 minus 3 is 5. Okay. The factors of 5 are 1 and 5, which means it's a prime number, because it only has 1 in itself as a factor. And then the factors of 12 are 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. But you can see 5 and 12 do not have any common factors other than 1. And if I divide by 1, I'm going to get the same. 5 divided by 1 is 5. 12 divided by 1 is 12. So because 5 is a prime number and the numerator and the denominator do not share any common factors, 5/12 is in simplest form. Therefore, 2/3 minus 1/4 is 5/12. Looking back to my estimate, 5/12 is only 1/12 away from the half, which would be 6/12. But I am comfortable with my model. I know that 2/3 equals 8/12. I know that 1/4 equals 3/12, and 8/12 minus 3/12 is 5/12. My estimate is just a little off.